APHLC continues protest over Assam minister's remark, burn effigies. Hello viewers, good morning and a very happy Children's Day to all the children who is watching the news. You're watching Karbinglong Live with Julie Baby, and now the news in detail. With the Assam Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma's remark on the sale on land in BTAD made during his election campaign at Udalguri not going well with the APHLC, the Hills People's Party had continued to let out their disappointment and displeasure. The Habarkihat youth wing of the APHLC party had on Friday burned the effigies of Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and KSYCC Tuliram Ronghang. The youth wing had severely condemned and criticized the statement made by the Assam minister to allow the sale and purchase of land by non-tribals in the 6 settled areas. During an election rally at Udalguri, the minister made this statement in the presence of KSYCC Tuliram Ronghang, for which the youth wing had slammed the CEM for his silence on the matter. The organization charged that CEM is trying to make fool of the people of Karbi Anglong by saying that the minister in his speech was talking about only the 6 settled of BTAD and not about KAAC. The protesters are not allowed at all satisfied with the statement of the Assam minister and the reply given by KAAC CEM to the people of Karbi Anglong. Harsing Rongpi from Havarkehat for Karbinglong Live. The Karbi Students and Youth Council had on Friday celebrated its 10th birth anniversary. Owing to the pandemic situation, no grand central program was organized by the central body, but instead it was celebrated by respective regional committee-wise. At Jirikindeng, the 10th birth anniversary of the organization was celebrated PWDIB under the aegis of the KSYCC Hamran Regional Committee. The program was chaired by KSYCC Hamran Regional President Rajas Phangchu and assisted by General Secretary Robinson Ronghang and Cultural Secretary Hasting Tiso. Local SGB Hemari Terang attended the event as chief guest. As a part of the birth anniversary celebration event, the KSYCC distributed notebooks to the students of Assam High School.
KSYCC pini ingdeng kep mahangki thegani ki choklo birth anniversary ken anniversary asila so pachi tonten dilitum ping dada Jirikindeng Assamese High School long saminitum la masab subet kacharli tum han aprang la andu se an ninga bat hiduni pansi masab subet saminitum kitap nang kiron pansi la dakema
dakna komri ke mane mananikan bang ke dilitum ladak le birth anniversary ke dakle claim kali anikan bang ke ton penta mane ing long wesi claim na pet same pining la COVID-19 la yok sin dilitum dak thanga Jirikindeng area council long tibilo.
The Hauraghat Regional Council celebrated the event in Dokmoka at Longkam Teron Auditorium. It was chaired by KSYCC Hauraghat Regional Council President Bura Singh Rongpi. It was attended by GINFAT Board Chairman and former KSYCC General Secretary Johnny Timong, KSYCC CEC President Prokas Terang, KRAA Secretary Rupen Hanse, KSA Regional Committee leaders and several others. Speakers during the event stressed on the need for more Karbi youths to pursue higher studies so that they can contribute to society in a better way. The leaders also stressed the importance of the youths to take an active part in the social and political movements in the district.
Pini nilitum Karbi Student and Youth Council ingdeng kep amahang thai katalon pini dake Hauraghat regional nilitum pining kado kabi pen regional plido Hauraghat regional lake dak dongmuka council padolo
Karbi Student and Youth Council bangso amahang thek bangso celebration along pini bangso ar muchitong pen alang litum dak litum alang litum khe apan khe kisung long kai ke ar jaberdi pu bangso jithan chimong long ni leke dolo.
Samsing Ingti's report from Jirikindeng and Samsing Ingti from Dongmoka, Karbinglong Live. Next. With a rise in the number of vehicles at Vothatlangso and adjoining areas, a new fuel station was inaugurated on Friday at Pelangpi to meet with the constant need and demand of petrol and diesel oil of private and commercial vehicles. Pura service point, the new fuel station was inaugurated by Baithalangso Circle Inspector J.R. Khan at Phelangpi, or known as Kheruni, near the hotel along the road connecting Jurikendang and other border areas of West Karbi Anglong district. The fuel station is owned by Harsing Pura, and the proprietor told Karbi Anglong Live that the fuel station would be able to reduce the fuel crisis and traffic in the market area. Further, he told that the fuel station was established with the lottery he won. Mohan Teron's report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.